Then proceed to set up the Zoom P4 PodTrak. You open it up carefully. And then in the box you see some instructions about how to set it up, as well as a guide on how you can do that, and other packages that you can find in boxes. And then the PodTrak itself is in the black package. And once you see it, you see a variety of connectors on the top and the bottom, as well as the sides. And then in the back, there's a place for you to put the batteries. So in order to get set up, you will need the batteries or a power source. And to start recording, you can just plug it in to one of the ports on the top. And then you also need to take the cable from the box that contains the headphones, and you connect that to the bottom of the PodTrak, as well as the connector on the headphones. Now it's important to note that if you do not have an external laptop to record some of these things using a software like Audacity, then you definitely need an SD card to store your recordings internally. After you've connected everything, you can start recording.